Hi YouTube, my name is Sifti Bhatia and today I'm going to show you one more way in which you can bring up your score in the lexical resource parameter, and that is by replacing the word very, which is very commonly or frequently used by students in their writing as well as speaking. So the first word we would take up is happy. So if you want to say very happy, instead of that use the word jubilant or ecstatic. So if you want to say that the news made me very happy, it should be the news made me jubilant or the news made me ecstatic. The second word we could take up is sad. So instead of saying very sad, you can use the word depressed or miserable. So instead of saying my result made me sad, you should use my result made me miserable. The third word is dirty. So if you want to say that, let's say the cat is very dirty, you can instead say the cat is filthy. The next word is opposite to dirty, which is clean. So if you want to say the place was very clean, instead go for the place was spotless or the place was unblemished. The next word is slow. So an example sentence can be if you say the new girl at my office is very slow. Instead you can say the new girl at my office is sluggish. Next word would be fast. So if I want to say the latest model of the car is very fast, instead I can say the latest model of the car is rapid or it is swift. Big is the next word we're going to take. So if I want to say while trekking we came across a very big pond, I can instead say that while trekking we came across a massive or a humongous pond. Next word is small. So I can say that this dress is made for very small women, or I can say this dress was made for petite women. I was very angry at my brother. So instead of saying very angry, I can go for I was furious at my brother or I was enraged at my brother. The place is very calm in the evening. So instead of very calm, I can use the word serene, and the sentence would be the place is serene in the evening. So these are the 10 words which you can use to replace very, and as always you can make sentences using these words and put them in the comment boxes down there and we would check them for you. That's all for today. I really hope this was useful to you. Thank you. All the best.